Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to make withdrawal on peritia. Now you must have watched my previous video where I showed you how to set up your bank account and all that. Now if you want to withdraw, simply log into your account once again if you are not logged in, and from the option menu you will see withdrawal. So just choose on withdrawal. After that, click to select your country. After doing that, you now select on choose account type. From this choose account type option, you'll be able to select which of your earnings you want to withdraw. Is it from sales account, that's your referral earnings? Is it ebook, that's the earnings that you get from selling ebooks? Or PRT account, that is the earnings that you earn from performing tasks? Whatever the option you choose, just select one of the options and enter your country again. Then the next thing is to enter the amount that you want to withdraw. And once you're done with that, enter your amount in dollars. Once you're done with that, click on the withdrawal button, which is highlighted in the green color. And once you do that, your withdrawal will be processed and you see a congratulations message. So you just have to wait for a while, not less than or not more than 24 hours, and you will see your payment.